Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to enter vibration settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound. Now here you can see the first vibration settings, they vibrate in silent mode. So by click once on the switcher and you can enable the vibration on silent mode, and you can also turn it off by clicking once again on the switcher. Also here we got the vibration when our device ring in. As can you see, our device got 2 SIM slots, so you can here set the vibrations, for example, only for SIM 2 when your device ringing, or also you can turn it on or turn it off just for 2 SIMs at the same time. And here also we got the vibrations on touch. So now when we just turn on this switcher, we will feel the vibration when we'll just simply touch and do something on our device screen. And also if you want to turn it off, you should click here once again on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.